Thiko ya keri hari icera ria Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mwena wa Nyanza mwerekeirie nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Siaya, kuria arokire kunyitwo geni muciini kwa Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga mwena wa Bondo, mbere ya gucoka guthii igongona-ini ria kuhumba thumbi makiri ma arutwo university-ini ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Nota muthenya wa mbere wa icera riake mwena uyu wa Nyanza, Ngirimiti ya thayu na wuiguano gatagati gake na Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ni tugiririo na njira nene. Umuthi ere makihumbwo thumbi kuumana na itemi ria uria kunyitithania a Kenya kuhitukira Ngirimiti ino.
I pledge to continue working strongly with my brother Raila and indeed with all Kenyans to continue to build a safer, more united, prosperous Kenya with equity for all.
Today marks a special turn of events in the actualization of the handshake that changed the direction and the mood of our nation in March this year.
Ngirimiti ino yekiraniirwo mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka-ini uyu, arimi eri menini thutha wa gutiruhwo githurano kia mwaka muhituku na kiria giacungiriirie ndugamano cia kiuteti gukorwo ciihiriirie makiria bururi-ini, ithiite na mbere gutugirio kuma ituri itiganite cia thii, guku ere makihinyiriria a Kenya guthii na mbere guthingatithia thayu.
We must never again agree to be divided by politics and tribe. With my brother, President Uhuru Kenyatta, we have agreed that we must do whatever it takes to help Kenya move forward by addressing the issues that we believe have been holding us back.
Hari ndumiriri yake muthenya wa ira, President ni arahithuririe uhotekeku wa gutafanio mogaruruku mutaratara-ini wa mwathanire guku bururi-ini, ita njira ya gwetha kihonia kia maundu maria makoragwo kaingi magicungiriria a Kenya gukanirira hindi ya githurano. Murunae wa ODM Raila Odinga ni onekire kuherera miario ino akiuga kihonia kia naihenya ni kiagiriire.
The handshake and the support for it that followed was a demonstration of our determination as a nation to learn from past mistakes and missteps and prepare to be great. It indicated the determination as a country to figure out what has worked and what has not worked in the past and perfect them.
But even as we continue committing more resources towards support of our universities, I wish also to emphasize the need for prudent utilization of public resources. We must ensure that the resources that are within our control are strictly used for the intended purposes.
President atirihite icera riake mwena uyu wa Nyanza umuthi thutha wa kuhingura mitaratara itiganite uthii wa na mbere ari hamwe na gitugi kia ugima wa mwiri, undu umwe na kuhunjia thayu na urumwe gatagati ka Kenya hatari guthutukania murugamo wa kiama. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.